If you follow Science Maker Lab Instagram or our Twitter page, you will know that we've been working on a peristaltic pump for a while. So what happens with a peristaltic pump is that these rollers go and they pinch the hose, and as that pinch moves along, it pushes the water in front of it and pulls water in behind it. So we built the first generation and found that we were having a bit of trouble with these rollers. We need to make them adjustable or movable so that we can get the hose in and out. Otherwise, you can't load a new hose if you wear out a hose. And we were having trouble with them either being too tight or too loose. So either they were so tight that they wouldn't want to churn, or they were so loose that they wouldn't pinch the hose fully and create the seal. So we wanted to make it adjustable because we found that when we tried it with springs, we just didn't have enough room in there to put in a spring that would give us a good amount of movement and spring tension. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to make a little cone. And this cone goes in and out, and it pushes these arms in and out as it does so, and we can adjust how hard it pushes these by tightening a bolt. So if we go like this, we can see, yeah, that's not a bad position. So we'll go and we'll mate this, and we'll mate it to that surface there, and we'll do a distance mate, and it was 4.6, so we'll go with 4.5 millimeters. We'll say yes. And that gives us a pretty good pinch, right? And so now when we move this around, we'll be pumping liquid, pulling it through here, pushing it out there.